Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Motorola Moto G5G pops online running a Snapdragon 750G 5G chipset. When Motorola announced it, the mathematical name it Moto G5G Plus back in July, it was pretty apart that the vanilla Moto G5G should eventually follow. Now we some too have a scope on a Moto device, codenamed KIEV, allegedly coming to market as the Moto G5G. The original source on this somewhat sketchy, but some to mostly check it out. This picture, as you can see, this is the Motorola G5G leaked images shoot. Apparently the Moto G5G will be based on the new Snapdragon 750G chipset, a promising part of the offer 5G support, including wave and AI noise supervision at the budget price point. The exact silicon already made a rather impressive debut on the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite and seems to have a potential to be the heart of the new wave of increasingly budget-friendly yet capable 5G smartphone. As you can see on your screen, this is the some Twitter leak star. Some of say the Motorola G5G specs, and also they say 6.66-inch 2400 by 1080p resolution, 5000 mAh battery, Google Assistant button, and other allegedly specs on the Moto of G5G, including 6.66-inch 2400 by 1080p pixel AMOLED f 5000 mAh battery with a 6 GB of RAMs and 128 GB expandable storage and a triple main camera setup. A surprising amount of detail is available in the camera department. On the back, the Moto G5G has a main Samsung GM 148 megapixel quad wire snapper, a Samsung S5K4 H7 8 megapixel telephoto, and an OmniVision OV02B 10 2 megapixel macro camera on the front. An OmniVision 16 megapixel sensor powers a punch hole camera and produces pixel binding 4 megapixel selfie. Apparently, the non-Pro Moto G5G will have a dedicated Google Assistant button, just like its Plus sibling. Though the source claimed that the said button will not to be present on the Verizon US variant on the headset. NFC is also mentioned on the specs list. Known model number for the key IEV including XT2113 and other model numbers. So this is the latest information about the Moto G5G. Some of the picture leaks is here. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.